Most entry-level drones sound like a swarm of angry hornets trapped in a cardboard box. But this specific flyer actually manages to break that noisy stereotype. You get these brushless motors that provide a surprisingly smooth lift. It feels more like a steady hover than a frantic struggle against gravity. This is a massive upgrade from those buzzing toy models that can barely handle a light draft from an open window. When you pull it out of the box, the first thing you notice is that it doesn't feel like a cheap piece of plastic that will shatter the moment a stiff breeze hits it. It has a sleek look. It feels modern and purposeful. It sits in that strange middle ground where it is definitely more substantial than a supermarket toy, yet it still lacks that heavy, dense quality of a professional machine that costs as much as a used car. Let's talk about those cameras for a second. The marketing materials make a huge deal out of the dual camera setup. It sounds like a high-tech revolution on paper. In practice, the footage is perfectly fine for a quick social media post or showing your friends a unique view of the neighborhood. However, don't keep your hopes up for a cinematic masterpiece. If the sun starts to dip, or you find yourself in a shady area, the grain starts to creep into the frame. The sharpness just isn't there to compete with the big names in the industry. It's functional, but it lacks that crisp professional edge. Then there is the obstacle avoidance system. This is where you really need to keep your wits about you. It works, mostly. It will see a large wall and slow down. It might beep to give you a warning, but it isn't foolproof. I watched it clip a few corners that a more expensive sensor would have caught with ease. You cannot just close your eyes and trust the software to navigate a dense backyard. It's more of a safety net than a true autopilot. Think of it as a helpful assistant that sometimes gets distracted on the job. The battery situation is equally middle of the road. You are looking at about 20 minutes in the air before the power levels start to dip. That is plenty of time to get some cool shots. But it feels like you are constantly playing a game of beat the clock. You find yourself swapping batteries like a mechanic in a high-stakes pit stop, just to keep the momentum going. Even the mobile app has its own set of quirks. It gets the job done, but it can be clunky. The live video feed occasionally stutters right when you are trying to line up a shot. It is frustrating to wrestle with a laggy menu when you just want to focus on the horizon. Despite those growing pains, there is something really approachable about this gear. It doesn't overwhelm you with a million complicated settings. It is a bridge. It connects the world of simple toys to the world of serious hobbyist equipment. It's a forgiving teacher for anyone who wants to learn the ropes without risking a massive investment on their first day. It provides enough power and stability to make you feel like a real pilot without the stress of a huge price tag. You get to experience the thrill of flight without the fear of a total financial disaster if you happen to land a bit too hard on the grass. It is a solid starting point for the curious beginner who wants more than a toy, but isn't ready for the big leagues.